What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the $5,000 iPhone. Now what's crazy is this is an iPhone 10, and they are going for thousands of dollars. Think of what the iPhone 11 Pro Max can go for. So I'm going to be showing you guys something that crazy that is going on, and maybe your phone is also worth this amount of money. So stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know. Alright. So, basically, if you guys want to know about the $5,000 iPhone, all you got to do is head to eBay and look up iPhone 10 with Fortnite app installed. Like, how crazy is that? People are putting phones on the market for sale for about $5,000. This is an iPhone 10, keep in mind. This isn't even like an 11 Pro, right? And because it has Fortnite on it, you can buy these phones. Now, because Fortnite was removed from the App Store, this is a big deal. It's like impossible to get Fortnite on your phone. And I want to explain why this is a terrible, terrible idea. And I mean, even if it was $1,000, even if it was a normal priced iPhone, this is just a terrible idea. And I'll be explaining all of that in this video. It's very simple. So if you scroll down, you can see iPhone 11 Pro Max with Fortnite installed, $3 grand. You can see iPhone 10R. This is going for $700, but there's probably something wrong with the phone. You can see they are on this screen, and it turns out I have Fortnite on this phone, and the problem is if you were to buy one of these phones on eBay, by the time it gets to your house, I don't know if you guys know this, but on August 27th, Fortnite is coming out with an update that makes the app no longer work with iPhones. So that means if you have an iPhone, you can't play Fortnite anymore, not only with other iPhone users, but the app just won't work because it's using the iPhone. And Fortnite's doing that because they are salty, and they're coming out with a new update. And this new update, you obviously have to update the app, and you can't update the app if it's not on the App Store. So you can see when you tap on update, you can go ahead and tap on open in App Store. My version of Fortnite is a little bit behind, but you can see this is basically what's going to happen. So if you do decide to buy the $5,000 iPhone with Fortnite on it, when it ships to your house, be prepared to click the $5,000 button that says OK, and then you can go ahead and, I guess, cry your eyes out because you just wasted all your money on a phone for Fortnite. Kind of crazy. I don't know who would do that unless like someone has like a trust fund that, you know, they just don't care anymore. But so this is a little sketchy. It says iPhone 10 Plus with Fortnite installed. First of all, there is no 10 Plus. They probably meant 10S or something like that, 10S Max. For $4 grand, that's terrible, right? So you can keep scrolling. You can see people bought another iPhone for $5 grand. So these actually are selling, which is ridiculous. This is very similar to the Flappy Bird situation when Flappy Bird was removed off of the App Store, and iPhones with Flappy Bird on them were actually selling for a lot more than iPhones without. And what's interesting is that a few months have passed, and that's when people figured out how to get Flappy Bird on the iPhone without the App Store. That's when third-party app installers were really becoming a thing. But what's interesting is Flappy Bird does not require external servers to be played and to enjoy the experience, whereas Fortnite, it requires Fortnite to have their servers up and running, even if the app is on your phone. So, very interesting, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I haven't uploaded in 50 days, so this is just me getting back. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, peace.